Cheers to the new year. As we step into the fresh canvas of 2024, let's kick off this journey with profound inspiration from Ralph Waldo Emerson. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. Emerson's words offer us a compass for the year ahead. Instead of just chasing happiness, he guides us to seek usefulness, honorability, and compassion. So, as we embark on this new year, let's explore how these principles can shape our journey. Usefulness. Being useful is like giving a gift to the world. It's using our unique abilities to contribute positively. As we dive into 2024, let's think about how we can be of service, how our skills can make an impact, and how our actions can benefit not only ourselves, but those around us. Honorable living. Living honorably sets the stage for a year of integrity and ethical choices. It's about making decisions aligned with our values, even when faced with challenges. Let's kick off this year by committing to a path of honorability, building a foundation for a fulfilling and principled journey. Compassion. As we navigate the months ahead, let's make compassion a guiding star. Emerson encourages us to not only understand, but genuinely care for others. Let's embrace empathy, foster connections, and create a ripple of kindness that reverberates throughout the year. Leaving a lasting impact. As we conclude our journey into 2024, let's carry Emerson's wisdom in our hearts. This year, let's strive to leave a lasting impact, making a positive difference in the world. May our actions, big or small, echo through time and contribute to the greater good. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the new year with the profound words of Ralph Waldo Emerson. May 2024 be a year of purpose, fulfillment, and positive impact. Cheers to the new year, and let's make it a year of living well.